Boss, paano naman kung may gusto siya sa'yo pero sinisiraan ka ng friends mo? Anong gagawin ko? Alam mo, Sigarilyo, sa tingin ko, hindi dating problem ang meron ka, kundi problema sa kaibigan mo. If I were you, Sigarilyo, I would confront my friends. Kausapin mo sila, lalaki sa lalaki, kung bakit nila ito ginagawa sa'yo. Explain mo sa kanila na mahalaga sa'yo yung babae and you don't want them ruining your reputation dun sa babae. Baka kasi sa kanila, joke lang yun and hindi pa siguro sila mature mag-isip. So talking to them might solve the problem. However, kung sinisiraan ka pa rin ng mga friends mo dun sa babae even after you guys talked, then ibang usapan na yan. Maghanap ka na ng ibang kaibigan, bro. Choose your friends wisely, Sigarilyo. Kasi unang-una, bakit ka nila sisiraan? Joke lang? Joke lang at the expense of their friends' feelings? For me, that is outright disrespectful na, Sigarilyo. The saying na bros before hoes does not apply to this one kasi low blow na ito eh. Ang kasabihan na mas applicable dito is with friends like that, who needs enemies? Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa iyo, Sigarilyo, and if you guys want my help personally, the easiest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. And you can do that by clicking the link in my bio or kung nasa YouTube man kayo, link is in the description box below. Peace!